Good morning, folks. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to update you on what the bottle gourds are doing right now. They're actually surviving very well right here in an understory location. They get little patches of sunlight, as you can tell. I'm gonna go ahead and place a string around the base of this palm here, run it over to the base of this palm and then wrap it around, and then I'll tie off back over here, and that'll be my first run of string. It's really all I'm gonna do right now. I'm not gonna run it all the way up the tree to where I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 levels. I just want to go with the pace that the plants are growing right now, as that'll be more economical on my time anyway, my time demand. So basically just on an as needed basis. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated and posted on the progress of these bottle gourds here in Zone 9B of Florida, heading into the winter. It's October 7th, 2021. So we're going to see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.